circuit analysis or electrical circuit analysis or circuit theory. Good morning to all. And the subject we see mesh current analysis in AC circuit. That is important. Mesh current analysis in AC circuits. We will see the circuit. That is analysis syllabus unit 1 and dot syllabus unit 3. Mathematical functions, determine value and A inverse, cofactor matrix, multiplication matrix, that is important. And complex algebra to polar format changes is very important. Complex format to polar changes I explained in previous classes, previous videos. Kindly see that video. Mesh current analysis, AC circuits. In this video, we see two meshes AC circuits. That is important. That has one supply and two meshes, and resistance, inductive, and capacitive circuits. That circuit is. Find mesh currents values using mesh equations following AC circuits. That is questions. Circuit shown in figure. First meshes and second meshes. Mesh current I1, first meshes, put directions. Second meshes, mesh current I2, put directions. 10 angle of 0 volt, that is AC supply in mesh 1. Mesh 2, no supply, that is V2 is 0. V1 is 10 0 volt. Resistance 96 ohm. And middle resistance common element 100 ohm and 4 ohm and J 200 ohm, that is inductance. And second mesh is 1 ohm, 100 ohm, and capacitance minus J 50 ohm. That is mesh 1 and mesh 2. Solution, apply KVL. In closed loop, the algebraic sum of the voltage around a closed circle is 0, and apply Ohm's law. First mesh is considered, that is supply is 10 angle of 0. AC supply is equal to I1 into or 96 plus 100 plus 4 plus J200, that is inductance, so put J200 minus I2 current flow in 100 ohm and 4 ohm and J200, so minus I2, that is opposite direction, so put minus sign. In this way, we obtain first equations and second equations. Second mesh, no supply, 0. Minus I1 into 100 plus 4 plus J200 plus I2 205 plus J150. I explained in previous class at DC circuit how to write equations. I2 into impedance. In this method, we form matrix format. Then we use complex algebra to polar format and mathematical function, matrix mathematical functions. Find determine A inverse value. From this value, we obtain multiplication of matrix I1, I2 values. I1 is 5 into 10 power minus angle of 0. I2 is 4.526 into 10 power minus 2 angle of 26.34. That is important. Finally, we obtain I1 value is 5 into 10 power minus 2 angle of 0 ampere. I2 is 4.526 into minus 2 angle of 26.34 ampere. That is answer. In this mesh current analysis, AC circuits, complex algebra to polar format function, mathematical function is very important, and determinant value and A inverse value, cofactor values and multiplication of voltage matrix, that mathematical function knowledge is very important. Kindly read and use in this video. Calculation, that circuit calculation I given lastly, that is model 200 plus J 200 N 205 plus J 150 whole bracket minus 104 minus J 200 small bracket minus 104 minus J 200 whole bracket 282.8 angle of 45 and 254.01 angle of 36.19 whole bracket minus 225.42 angle of minus 117.47 225.42 angle of minus 117.4 small bracket and whole bracket. That is I given that calculation. That is 71,834 angle of 81.9 bracket minus bracket 50 81.4.17 angle of minus 234.94 bracket. From calculation, finally obtain I1 I2 values. I1 5 into 10 power minus 2 angle of 0 ampere. I2 is 4.526 into 10 power minus 2 angle of 26.34 ampere. In this method, in this calculations complex to polar format, how to calculate that complex to polar format is I explained in previous classes or previous videos, kindly seen, and mathematical function matrix, inverse matrix, determinant matrix and multiplication matrix is very important. That is AC circuits, kindly noted. That is Anna University syllabus and George syllabus. Kindly use this video. That is mesh current analysis for AC circuits. Man engineering, thank you.